Alright, here's the video on my 22 Tundra. I've been getting a lot of messages on my YouTube channel asking about it, how it's been doing. As many of you know, there's a recall on these due to oil debris from the factory. I don't know. Just search YouTube and you'll see a million videos on it. So I'm just going to do a quick oil and filter change. So stay tuned. And just a quick note, the recall is actually on the 9 hybrid versions. Mine's the hybrid, but it's the same exact engine, so it's probably going to happen on this if it has the issue. "37,000 miles, folks, and I got chunks in the magnet of the rear diff. Apparently this is common. I don't know why, but a lot of people are saying their first time they're changing the rear diff fluid, they're seeing this exact thing. Little tiny pieces of metal shards in the magnet. I'm hoping this is all of it. I'm going to change it probably again in another 15, 20,000 miles. It's not that expensive to do yourself. And we'll see if I have any more metal on the magnet, but hopefully the magnet did its job and got all of it. Alright, so this is the end of the part 1. When I get the oil analysis back from Blackstone, I'll create a new video on that and I'll show you the oil filter cutout. So make sure you're subscribed, and I would appreciate a like on the video. Those really help out, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Thanks.